So task 10 is to stop the left ship from passing through the middle of the screen. And if you take a look at the game as it is, this vertical partition is fairly worthless other than it being there as decoration, right? If I press the D key, I can go right through it over into the right ship's space, right? But we don't want that to happen. We want this to be like its own world, and this to be its own world, and the ships to stay in their own world, right? So how do we do that? Well, you're going to go into your ship update method, right about here. And what you're going to do is you're going to check, okay? So let's say here is all the movement for the ships. And I guess you could put it right in here, right? So this is if it's the left ship, if these certain keys are pressed, then after you make the adjustments to the recs, you can say if. And what are we checking here? What we're checking is if the ship's position is past the center line point, right? So we're going to say if self.rect.right, so the right side of the ship, if it's greater than the width divided by 2. But I don't know if we have width divided by 2. Yeah, we don't have width divided by 2. So I guess this would be a good variable to make global, right? So let's go ahead and take that. Maybe we could put it up here, and we can make width be all caps and height be all caps, since they are not going to be changing value, right? Maybe we could do size all caps as well. So then that means right here we could do width, and then here we could do size, and all of these places we could do capital height and capital width. So we'll do that and that, and then I will do the width as well, here and here and here. Okay, and then what are you gonna do if that's the case, right? Well, if this is the case, then the ship has gone past the center point, and what you want to do is set the recs right side equal to the width divided by 2, right? That in essence is going to stick the ship at the center line, or the right side of the ship at the center line, if he's trying to go past that center line. Okay, let's test it out. We run this, I go, boom, he's stuck there. Okay, so that's how you're going to add boundaries. And I think the next challenge exercise would be to add a boundary at this top horizontal partition, at this left partition, and this bottom partition. And the same thing would go for the right ship.